marks and bloodstains. Then was this creature real? Or were you daft? Do not accuse me, Magnus, of madness, for I know not. The marks are here. The marks are here. Dragged upon the ground, something was. And say again, its visage was not human? Not in the least. Not in the least like a creature from the sea bottom, but upon the land. He bid you bring it to her, this foul thing. Yes, she did. I'd bring her anything I would, Magnus, for she is so fair. So fair. I would descend into hell itself. I would kill the name it, but I would kill it. Perhaps this is a thing of sorcery. She plays upon you with some evil spell. Perhaps it is. But alas, I want for a creature. I want for a creature to bring fair Portia. You love her. And you know that can't be bad. Love like this. You know she should be glad.
Dear Portia, I have gotten your dresses good and ready for you if you would just get in them.
Yes, mistress, please.
I do not mean to fret at you, but my dear, you are perhaps one of the most exasperating young dears that I have yet to work for, and I have worked for many a woman because I keep getting fired.
And if thou dost not wish to be fired once again, thou must watch thy tongue.
Watch it, where is it going?
Off and away without your help.
I feel as if you are too hard on me, ma'am.
Miss, I do not have the time to think on you. There are much bigger matters at hand.
And I am trying to ready you for it.
Ready me?
You are but half-dressed. You have no doublet or things that you should wear.
The creature does not care how I am dressed.
The creature. There is no creature, my dear. Nobody but you has seen it. Maybe once or twice.
Dost thou dare to even say to me that you dost doubt my mind?
I do doubt your mind but a tiny bit. For so does everyone else.
Even a speck of doubt in thou little braineth. I swear to thou, I shall dismisseth thee.
I have been there before, my lady, and I am not afraid. But I will say, if thou says there is a creature dark and gruesome, then there is one.
There is't. And thou shalt bring it forth.
Me? I thought thee sent a knight after one.
The night has not come hither. Thou shalt go thither.
I will go, but I will not like it.
I stumbled that I walked too fast.
Fool, for I do not want to have to wreck your head and get you dressed and find a monster and do all the rest and not get fired.
Go forth, or else your time here shall expire.